Ever wondered why hiccups happen? They're triggered when your diaphragm, the muscle beneath your lungs, spasms unexpectedly, snapping your vocal cords shut for that familiar hic sound. This reflex can start if you eat too quickly, drink fizzy drinks, or experience sudden excitement. Scientists believe the hiccup reflex links back to amphibian ancestors, where it helped tadpoles move water over their gills. Hiccups even affect unborn babies, signaling early practice for breathing. While annoying, they're usually harmless, just a quirky echo from our evolutionary past.